Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the full 2025 guide on how to use Zoho Project for retail management. First things first, you'll need to create a new project. Go to your Zoho Project dashboard, click on the plus button, and select New Project. Fill in your project details, such as the project name, let's say Retail Management 2025. This step is crucial as it allows you to define the scope and parameters of your retail project. Now that we've done that, let's move to task creation. Go to the Tasks tab in your new project and start creating tasks. You can assign these tasks to your team members, set a due date, and define priority levels. The reason we do this is to help us efficiently manage our resources and ensure that all tasks are completed on time. Next up is setting up the milestones. Click on the Milestones tab and start defining your retail project's milestones. These could be your quarterly sales goals or the launch of a new product line. This helps us because milestones serve as significant checkpoints in our project, giving us a clear picture of what we've achieved and what lies ahead. Moving forward, let's talk about reporting. Go to the Reports tab and choose the kind of report you'd like to generate. Whether it's a task report, a milestone report, or a project overview, Zoho Project has got it all covered. Let me explain why this matters. Reports provide a detailed analysis of your project's progress and performance, allowing you to make informed decisions. Finally, let's touch upon communication. Zoho Project offers an inbuilt chat feature. Use this to communicate with your team and discuss project updates. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Effective communication ensures everyone is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and promoting collaboration. And that's a wrap. You now know how to use Zoho Project for retail management. Remember, it's all about efficient task distribution, setting clear milestones, generating informative reports, and fostering effective communication. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time.